Welcome back to the channel. Join us today as we explore the good and the bad of snorkeling at Coral Gardens. Coral Gardens is located just south of Lahaina and stretches underwater from the south end of Papalaua Beach towards the cliffs.
Coral Gardens.
Coral Gardens is a popular Maui snorkeling spot due to its calm waters, coral reef, abundant sea life, and close proximity to the island. This was my first time at Coral Gardens. We have taken 5 boat tours in total, and somehow, whether they were a morning or an afternoon tour, we were always taken to Molokini Crater. So I was excited to see Coral Gardens. The positives are that it is a short boat ride to get here versus twice as long to get to Molokini. I was able to find some colorful fish near the wall and the coral, and the photographer on our boat tour even found an octopus. I was holding a CJI camera on a stick while I was snorkeling, and the octopus tried to steal my camera, and the photographer actually had to unwrap it from the stick. Coral Gardens is located just south of Aluwalu and in front of the West Maui Mountains. Here you may see parrotfish, sea turtles, angelfish, and other marine life. What I did not like about Coral Gardens is that when we were there was a dirty film on the water, and second, the close proximity to the highway. It just didn't feel like we were snorkeling in a cool exotic place, kind of like it feels when you get off the boat in Molokini. But honestly, I ended up seeing some of the best sea life on this trip to Coral Gardens, so it was worth it. Usually Coral Gardens is offered as the shorter afternoon tour option, so I do still recommend trying it out.